Welcome to part 2. In the last video, we built the core logic and data models for our task tracker CLI. But right now, we have a major problem. Every time the script finishes running, our tasks disappear from memory. To make this a real usable application, we need data persistent. To handle this, I created a dedicated file called filemanager.py. We are keeping it native by importing the built-in OS and JSON modules, along with datetime, to handle our timestamps. We also import our task and status modules. Inside the file manager class, the first thing we do is define our file path. We use os.getCWD to get the current working directory and append tasks.json to it. This ensures our data is set exactly where we run the CLI. Next, let's look at the readTask class method. Before we try to open anything, we use os-path_exists to check if our JSON file even exists yet. If it doesn't, like when the user runs the app for the first time, we just return an empty list. If the file does exist, we open it in a read mode and use JSON.load to grab the data. Because JSON stores everything as text, we have to loop through the data and rebuild our Python objects. We recreate each task by casting the ID to an integer, wrapping the status back into our status enum, and using datetime.stripTime to parse our string timestamps back into proper datetime objects. Reading is only half the battle. We also need to save our changes. The writeTasks method takes our list of task objects and opens the file in write mode. Since the native JSON module doesn't know how to serialize custom Python classes directly, we loop through our task and append tasks.dict to a new list. This handy trick converts our class instances into standard Python dictionaries. Finally, we use JSON.dump with an indent of 4 to write that list into our file, keeping the JSON nicely formatted and human readable. And just like that, we have data persistence. Our tasks are now safely stored on our hard drive. In the final part of this series, we'll bring it all together by building the actual command line interface using arc parse. See you there.